Hello GS 120 students. In this short video I'm going to show you how to interact with the labs, which are going to be written in Google Docs, and you'll access those through Canvas through the modules. So the first thing you'll do when you're ready to do your lab is you'll go to the modules. So if we're in week 1, the very first lab you're going to do is an orientation lab. You're going to find that and you're going to click on it. And when you click on it, you're going to get transported to an external tool. It's going to pop up with a Google assignment. Your name is going to be here and you're going to click continue. And when you do that, it's going to make another Google Doc for you, your own copy of the lab. And that's going to look like this. So here's the Earthquakes Lab 0. This is just an orientation lab. It's going to help you get started with learning how to do the labs. So this is a Google Doc, and it's going to be your very own copy. So this is your copy to enter your lab work in. So you'll scroll down. There's going to be a short introduction. There's going to be some tools given to you for drawing and annotating. You're going to be given some instructions on how to successfully complete the lab assignment, and all of the questions are embedded in this lab assignment. So for the intro lab, in question 1, you're going to write a little bit about yourself. Why did you take this course? What's one of your personal learning goals for this semester? So you'll just type in your very own Google document here. Okay, so question 2 is going to involve doing a little bit of a measurement on a map. So here's a map of the Fairbanks area, and it's got a scale bar. So what we're going to ask you to do is take a copy of this map on your screen, and you could download it and print it if you want to. You're going to want to have a ruler handy. You can do this exercise just on your screen though with a ruler. You'll take your ruler and you'll hold it up to the scale bar and you'll figure out how many millimeters per kilometer on your scale bar. And then you're going to do some measurements, the distance from Fairbanks to North Pole. And write your answer in the space below. The other thing we want you to do with this map, though, is going to be to practice annotating a figure or a map. So there's a couple ways you can do this for these labs. You can download the map image and upload it into an app that allows you to draw on it on your computer. That's probably the easiest way to do it. So there's a few. Zotter is one that you could do. It's free. GIMP is another one. You could also use PowerPoint if you have Microsoft Office. You could use Google Slides or whatever program you prefer. So you'll take that image, and for this one, you're going to draw some circles around the features on the map. Fairbanks, North Pole, some of the other towns around. When you're all done, you'll save your image onto your computer, and to submit it for this lab, all you're going to do is insert that annotated figure in the space indicated. So right here. And to do that, it's really easy. You just go up and you go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and as soon as you click that, it's going to give you all sorts of options from files on your computer. You'll just select your annotated map figure and click on, Upload, and then it'll insert it right there in the lab for you. And then you'll finish off the rest of the questions of your lab. And when you do this, the Google Doc is tied to the SpeedGrader in Canvas. So your TAs are going to be able to see your turned in work. You don't have to do anything else. At this point, as your Google Doc is saved, you've got all your answers in it. The TAs will see your work in the SpeedGrader when it's time to grade. So a reminder, all these labs are due every Friday at 11:59 p.m. Alaska time. So as long as you finish all the questions and answer all the questions by that time in your Google Doc, you'll be all set to go. And don't hesitate, if you have any questions about how this works, contact your instructor by email or your TA by email. And I hope you have fun with these labs. There's a lot of really great stuff in here. So dive in and have a great time.